Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the write function in Excel. So let me explain what is the write function. The write function is what we call a substring, or in very easy terms it's a trimmer. Basically it would trim a certain amount of characters that you specify from well, it starts at the right, it will start to keep on counting all the characters you want, and eventually the remaining ones will be removed. So you can see here, for example, we have here the red, yellow, and you can imagine, of course, in our situation we want to only have yellow. However, we're not allowed to adjust this here, no. So we are restricted to only using this value. So what can we do, or how can we do this? Well, with the write function you can use it easily. So let me show you exactly how you can do that. And what we want is we want to get only the yellow. The remaining we have to trim away. So what we type in here is equal write, then open parentheses, and then I will click here on the formula builder. And in here it will just give you the instructions. First of all, select the text that you want to trim. Once you did that, with the write function, it will start from the right. You can see here, it starts with the W. And then you can specify the amount of letters. So let's specify 6 letters, because yellow contains 6 letters. And there you have the result. So yellow. And if you do 7, you will see now you see the letter D from red. And if you do 8, it will be red without the letter R. And 9, it will contain the full word. So what we want is number 6. Only have 6 characters, so we have the yellow. Click done. Let's close this, and there we are. So that is nice. So now we know how to do that. Let's do some more for some final practice run. Alright, we have here blue, green. Let's only obtain the letter of the word green from here. So we do the same. We do write, then we open parentheses, we select this, comma, and then 5. Green contains 5 letters. There we are. Same here, we say write, we select this, and now in this case we want to have gray green, so that is a total of 9 characters. So we say 9, enter, and we have gray green. And finally we have this very long color, pink, green, yellow, and what we want is only green, yellow, and that is a total of 11 characters, and enter. So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can obtain values from a value if you're not allowed to adjust that value. And if you like this, check out the link below. In there you have a wonderful Excel course that teaches you more about Excel. And if you have any questions regarding to this, post them down in the questions section, and I will make sure I will answer you back.